suit up. We're gonna build this bench. Alright, so I had to rethink this because the first one that I built was a little bit too chunky. So what I ended up doing, I slim it down just a little bit, and I will put wheels under it, so it's not done yet, but I just wanted to show you quickly. Secondly, I didn't want to bore you too much. That's done. And then lastly, little table. And then if you notice, there's no 2x2 here anymore, because I put a 45 on it instead. So now we have a lot more space. Next up, shelf. We're going to be putting all the tools on the back wall there. So stay tuned for that.